Hello children, this is your English teacher and today I am going to discuss about a topic note making. This is the topic of writing section which is often given in the question paper and recently it has been given in the half yearly examination for class 11th. So after a huge demands of the children, I am going to give ideas how to make notes on a paragraph or a story. Suppose that to let you understand, I want you to understand that note making, it is the garden of flowers. Okay, suppose that this is a garden, so many flowers are there in the garden, and I told you to bring two flowers of it. First is rose and second is lotus. Rose and lotus. I required only two flowers, rose and lotus. You went in the garden and you liked all the flowers over there and you collected so many flowers and gave it to me. But this is not useful. Okay? We must know what we have been told to do. I told you to bring only two flowers, rose and lotus. So you have to remember that bring only two flowers, rose and lotus. Don't do more than need. So this is the process of this example, garden of flowers. Note making is the section of or the part of writing. You must know it. A paragraph will be given in the question paper and you have to make notes on it. Thereafter, summarizing of the paragraph, you have to provide abridgment or a short synopsis about the paragraph so that everything and all the ideas would be clear by the summary. So, how to make note on any topic or paragraph? Suppose that four paragraphs have been given. Okay, four paragraphs have been given. You need not to read out all the paragraphs in a stroke. Okay, just go slowly through the paragraphs easily one by one. First of all, you have to read out a paragraph. Thereafter, make a note on it. Okay. Second paragraph, make a note on it. Third paragraph, make a note on it. By doing this process, you have to make notes. Okay, and you have to give short abbreviations as much as you can. Let you know the format of note making. First is heading. You have to give heading. Thereafter, subheading, and points. You have to mention at least 1, 2, 3. At least 3 points under a subheading. Thereafter, key words. Keywords are abbreviations. Abbreviations, and thereafter main heading. Our title of this chapter, I mean about the paragraph, that will be given here at the top of the note making. Okay, it is the process and let you know how to make notes on a story or a topic. A question that has been recently given in your half-yearly examination, class 11th, about conversation. Conversation is indeed the most easily teachable of arts. Okay, so just we are going to make notes on this story. First of all, we must add a heading. Okay. Conversation. This is the heading. Okay. And we have to make notes about this. What is the subheading? Now let us start. C-O-N. I read this is subheading. Is the most art. Thereafter, you will collect ideas from the paragraph and you will add to describe it. There are 4 examples. Subjects, interest, become a good conversationalist. Okay. Points 1. Point 1. This is our first heading. So 1.1. Good conversationalist. Next thing, you must give some ideas which could give more and more ideas to connect to the theme and the paragraph, whatever you are going to give. Hobbies. 1.2 is hobbies and popularities. This is enough for the first paragraph. And get reputation and charming with brilliant mind. 1.3. Charming with brilliant mind. Okay. Now let's go to the second paragraph of it. Subheading will be there. Important to know subjects. Okay. Subject. Avoid unpleasant subject. Means this information has been given. Avoid unpleasant subject and avoid 1.1. Avoid mannerism while you are speaking something. Sickness to death everybody and willingness listens to such talk is the doctor, but he gets bad of it. 1.2. Sorry, this must be with the margin. 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. Okay. 1.2 is people interested in your problems. Okay. Means people's problems. You may write prob. Okay, people's problem. And in the third subheading, subject, conversationalist, mannerism and how I talk if you hold my hand. So just you have to use this format to make notes, and at last when you will go to make all the clues and all the points of it, you would be able to find out main heading that must be written here. This is the heading, and by reading the clues and the points which you have written, reader would be able to know about the theme and ideas whatever you are going to give through the note making. Thereafter, in a side, you have to give all the abbreviations that you have used in your notes. First thing is conversation, C-O-N, conversation. You will give all the abbreviations in full form so that reader would be able to find out the ideas. Here you have written SUB, subject. Here we have written prob, P-R-O-B, this is problem. Okay, and if you want to write M-A-N only, this is M-A-N, mannerism. Okay. by using this format you can make notes on any topic or paragraph, and I hope all the students have understood it. Okay. That's it, children, and I hope you all have got it. I'm so hurry. Keep watching and learning.